Hello and welcome. In this training video, I'm going to go over creating a Facebook fan page and the differences between the different fan pages that you can create. Okay, so where I'm currently at is facebook.com/pages/create.php. Now in a resources file, you're going to be able to see this link and you'll be able to easily click on that. But you can also get here another way. If you're just browsing through Facebook, and you visit pages, you'll find in the bottom left hand corner a link that leads you to this page, which is just creating a page. So regardless of how you get here, once you're here, I understand that they've simplified this quite a bit. It may or may not look like this when you visit this page, but it still can be a little bit confusing because look at all the different options you have. So local business or place allows you to get specifics on the location and then the category of your business. You would just simply agree to the terms and get started after you filled in this data here. Company, organization, or institution is a little bit different. Just one form field for your company name. And then again, categories, agree, and get started. Brand or product, same thing as company, organization, or institution, just different category types. Same thing, pick your category, type in your brand or product name, agree, and get started. Okay, next, scroll down a little bit here. Artist, band, or public figure. Now with this, you get to choose your category, name, agree, and get started. So you're noticing a little pattern here with a lot of these, and I'll get into the specific differences between these. All it really is differences in the basic information or the about us information that you're able to provide. That's really what changes between the first four that we've gone over and even this fifth one, entertainment. Entertainment is the same way. Again, just a different set of categories to choose from. Picking the name of the entertainment, agree, and get started. Okay, so those first five are all going to be very similar in what they create. The only difference is going to be in the options that you get in the admin side or the page admin, which again, in a few minutes we'll go over that. So the very last one is cause or community page, and this actually is completely different than the first five I just showed you. Reason why is because the community page, to start with, is built collectively by its following. Okay, it has restrictions on what applications you can use, and so it's not as dynamic to use for your business as the first five options that I showed. Now a cause page is different in the sense that it's for like nonprofits, a cause again, or a specific institution, something like that would be a cause page. So those two are completely different than the first five I showed you. So what you do, if this is what you wanted to create, type in your name, the name of the cause or community, agree, and then get started. So for demo's sake, we're going to go ahead and just come here to company, organization, or institution. And let's just say that we're going to do small business. Okay? So let's just create a page. Let's call it John's Shack. Okay, we're going to agree to the terms and then get started. And if all goes well, you'll be redirected to the page. If it doesn't like it, then it'll pop up a notification and you'll have to re-get started. So now that we've created a fan page, I really want to show you the differences between the fan pages that I briefly touched on earlier. So come on up here to Edit Info. And now since I picked company and organization, small business, these are the different options I'm going to have. You see I've got awards, mission, products, things like that. Keep an eye on that because as we change this, even within companies and organizations, and then looks like we clicked the wrong thing there, so let's get back. So even if we were to stay within this and go to different things, go to different category types, you'll see that with some of it, you see it's changing already with just being inside the same category type, and then the subcategory, as we change that, it changes what you get to fill in information wise. So let's just change it completely to books and magazines. You see now it's changing with exactly information that has to do with books and magazines. What they wanted to do here is just provide you with advanced filtering to make it easier. So what about local businesses and places? You see the difference here. You're going to get hours of operation. You can again fill in all your location details. And then about us, description is similar, price range, parking, those are a little bit different. So again, you can come in here to basic information like you see I have here, and just come in here and change it around and really see until you find something that fits your business type. You see movies, it gets completely different there. Gender, biography, birthday affiliation. So, and then let's check out maybe music. Let's see what that is. You see it changing again. So, and then within that, you can do, look at this, you can do all kinds of stuff with the subcategories. So there's a lot you can kind of play around with, and I love the fact that they've made it to where you can come in here and change this after the fact, because on the front side, if you don't really know what page you need to create, then you can just simply come back here and change this. And then the thing I also wanted to point out in this video is you can create a custom URL which shortens it. Like you'll see here, this is actually my page URL, except for this edit would be gone, but this big long ID number would be in there, and it's question marks and things like that. You could create a super short URL. As soon as you get 25 fans, you can go ahead and this should go away, and you should have a blank form field just like this one that you can put in your username. And so what that's going to do is that's going to eliminate basically this whole backslash pages, all that, and the ID number, all that's going to go away. So it'd just be facebook.com / the name that you pick for your username. So that's a really cool feature too. You're going to want to take advantage of that so that it makes it easier in your future branding and things like that. So that wraps up this video. I hope you have a better understanding of how to create a fan page, the differences between them, and stay tuned in the next couple videos. We dive a little bit deeper into Facebook fan pages.